Hi, this is Tim Fraser from Forsys. I'm here to give you a quick introduction to the Rise Storefront. It is an integrated e-commerce platform with the Aptus CPQ engine from Conga. A couple of different examples here. So I've got two different tabs. This first tab that says Rise, this is lightly branded. You can put your banners and all that. Just get some orientation. This looks like a standard shopping cart. So in this particular case, the user experience requires that you pick your region in terms of where you want to ship, or where you want to buy from and shop. On the left-hand bar, these are the categories and products that are for sale. This is obviously a quick demo, and so we have very few things in here. But you have the typical shopping experience with the scrollable list of all the featured products that are available, of other barriers and other products in the barrier category that can be done. And it's got the standard layout. This has got the vertical layout on the left-hand side. The next branded product with the same store database underneath it is the next one I'm going to tab to. This particular one just starts out with with a highway barriers as an example, where you focus on that particular one. So this does not have all the tabs, and this is a little bit lighter weight implementation for the user experience. Now, looking at these two user experiences, I'm just going to focus on this one. This is going to give you the ability to navigate to what you're looking for. You can do, obviously pick your location, go pick California. You can search for products. I'm going to actually check. I'm going to start with barriers like we have here, traffic barriers, and then as the page loads, out of the box, this is the experience. This looks like a standard shopping cart experience, but in reality, based on who you are, if I had logged in as a channel partner or distributor, I would be getting my negotiated price for this product, and it also tells me for this region that I selected on the previous page, this is the availability lead time in that area, to be able to find your lead times based on obviously what you're buying and how many you're buying. Now, this example, we can show a couple more kind of cool things if you look at the specifications. So here we are. The 3D viewer has launched. In this particular case, it's a 2D rendering of a 3D image, this is a small example where you can navigate your image, and you can use measures and do markups, etc. You can fit the screen. You can print this. This is a 2D rendered model, but the integration that includes a 3D rendered image. So if it's in viewer mode, you can see that the end user can see a pre-configured product. If you want to make any changes to this, you move from a shopping experience, which is a build to order, make to order, to a configure to order. So you can actually see, for example, you may want to move these holes. These holes may have an option to move up and down depending on the way the barriers are, or the various snap points may have different types of materials or different configuration. All that can be done through a navigation using a 3D render. So specifications allows you to do that. Now, like I said, you can start with the shopping cart experience, or you can switch it out to having a full-on experience between a 3D integration and modifying the model, and then shipping it off for further engineering and engineering review. And that is the that is a precast industry first to allow you to have a two-way interface between a shopping cart experience to semi-configuration, semi-custom, to a full-on engineering to order experience. So let's just add this to the cart. At the end of the day, we have added 2 items to the cart. You can see the items are in the cart. You can view the cart. This looks like a standard shopping cart experience, right? So as you look at the shopping cart experience, you have your configured prices. If you actually go through the checkout process, this is where the underlying magic occurs. This is not a normal flow in a shopping cart experience, because your shipment has to also be shipped to you, because in the precast industry, the product is shipped to install, right? So the trucks will deliver literally on site for installation. So it is literally built to install. So in this particular case, it looks like we'll be needing a boom truck and a wide load truck and maybe a pilot car. This is just a sample of what we would be building. For the total cost, for the shipping cost, is now included. And as we go into this process, where if you have a standard product and you're just out of the shelf buying it, then this is pretty cool. We have a version of this that allows you to punch out at this place. We may have a discussion between between the sales team that supports your client at this point in the shopping cart experience. They may go back to may actually want to do an interaction on price or discussion, and that would punch you out from this user experience into a guided experience on the back end with the integration with the salesperson that supports that particular customer or region.